Some locals in Hawaii may pray to ancestors or honor the Mauna Loa eruption with chant to Pele, the deity of volcanoes and fire.
Well, as a native Hawaiian, I wanted to come and pay my respects to our Tutu Pele, which we lovingly call the goddess of the volcano, and this volcano flow that is going on, and praying that the goddess will take care of what needs to be taken care of.
Hawaiians call all the phenomena related to volcanoes, the magma, steam, ash, and acid rain, as Tutu Pele.
Tutu Pele is gonna go where Tutu Pele wants to go, and I mean, we're in her house, so it's kind of just, you go with the flow.
Local residents have different relationships with the spirituality of lava. Some may pray in solitude, while the other may gather in groups. The tourism authority has so far not received any complaints about people getting in the way of cultural practices.